how to remove contacts from Snapchat. So all you have to do is to go here to your Snapchat application. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is to click on your Bitmoji. After clicking that, tap on the gear icon on the upper right and scroll down up until you see contacts option here. It's actually under additional services. Tap on contacts. Now that all you have to do is to share, you will see this is currently toggled on the share contacts with Snapchat. Toggle that off and tap on confirm, and then remove sync contacts from Snapchat and tap on confirm. What you're gonna do next is if you go here, if you try to go here to your friends, my friends here, it will automatically remove the people on your contacts added here. And basically, that is it. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.